Osmo Pocket ActivTrack. Film your story with the Osmo Pocket. Using the Osmo Pocket separately, double tap on the target. Then the Osmo Pocket will identify the face and enter Face Track mode. If an object is selected, the Osmo Pocket will enter ActivTrack mode. Press the record button to start recording. To stop tracking, press the function button. In selfie mode, the Osmo Pocket can automatically recognize portraits and start tracking the targeted subject. Using the Osmo Pocket with a mobile phone, connect the Osmo Pocket and mobile phone and launch DJI Me mode to start tracking the subject. Frame the targeted subject and the gimbal will start following the subject. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.